Good morning, students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the second unit of your organic chemistry, which is in your class 11. And this is the main chapter of organic chemistry, or you can say this is the first main chapter of the whole organic chemistry which you have to study in your class 11th and 12th. The chapter is your hydrocarbons. First of all, what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen only. So in hydrocarbon there are only two elements. The one is your carbon and another is your hydrogen. That's why they are called hydrocarbon. Hydro for hydrogen and carbon for your carbon. For example, the simplest hydrocarbon is your CH4, that is called your methane. If somebody asks you, give an example of a hydrocarbon, तो नेचुरली हमारा जो पहला एग्जाम्पल आता है वो आता है मीथेन. एंड देन अदर एग्जाम्पल देयर मे बी योर C2H6 that is called ethane, or there may be your C2H4 that is called your ethene. So hydrocarbon is simply a compound of your carbon and hydrogen. Now this hydrocarbon is of further two types. So this hydrocarbon, it is further classified in two categories. One is your saturated hydrocarbon and another is your unsaturated hydrocarbon. One is your saturated and another is your unsaturated hydrocarbon. The saturated hydrocarbon is also known as your alkane, while unsaturated they are of two types further. One is called your alkene and another is called your alkyne. Suppose if somebody asks you that what do you mean by the term saturated hydrocarbon? We know that in all the organic compounds, carbon have a tetravalency. So if the tetravalency of carbon is satisfied by your single bond, then that hydrocarbon is known as your saturated hydrocarbon. Means in saturated hydrocarbon, there will be no such carbon-carbon double bond and triple bond. However, in unsaturated hydrocarbon, apart from carbon-carbon single bond, there must be at least a carbon-carbon double bond or a carbon-carbon triple bond. कहने का ये अर्थ हुआ कि आपका जो सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन है उसमें हमेशा always there will be a single bond between carbon and carbon. But in case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, whether it is alkene or alkyne, there must be unsaturation, means there must be a carbon-carbon either double bond or it may be your triple bond. Now the saturated hydrocarbon, which is also known as your alkane, with a general formula CnH2n plus 2, while this alkene have a general formula CnH2n but alkyne have a general formula CnH2n minus 2. Now what is the meaning of this Cn? Cn means your number of carbon atom. And again the same is applicable for H2n also. H2n जहाँ हो गया means हाइड्रोजन का नंबर जो है वो कार्बन से डबल हो गया. For example, if we write simplest alkane, if carbon 1, so this is C1 and H it is 2 into 1 plus 2 and that's why it is called your CH4. So this is the meaning of your unsaturated and saturated hydrocarbon. Now, after classification, first of all, we have to discuss in detail that is your alkane. So let us write your first is your alkane. As we know, alkane it has a general formula CnH2n plus 2. So the first member of alkane is your CH4. The next one is your C2H6. The third one is your C3H8 and the fourth one is your C4H10. Now this is known as your methane, this is your ethane, this is your propane and this will be your butane. I have already discussed the nomenclature in particularly the previous unit, that is your nomenclature of organic compound. So need not to be discussed again. Now what happens in alkane? There will be always carbon-carbon single bond. There will be always a carbon-carbon single bond. And this carbon-carbon single bond has a bond length. The bond length of carbon-carbon single bond, that is equal to your 154 picometer. If you consider this is methane, now you know the shape of methane, that it is your tetrahedral. This is your tetrahedral and the carbon is your sp3 hybridized. Your carbon is sp3 hybridized and in this methane the bond angle is your 109 degree and 28 minute. So this is your tetrahedral model or tetrahedral nature of carbon in methane. Now if we have compound like ethane, suppose if we have compound like ethane, then we write ethane like this C2H6 and in this C2H6 both the carbon means both the carbon has a hybridization equal to your sp3. ये दोनों ही कार्बन जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ इनका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या हो गया? sp3 हो गया and both are your tetrahedral in nature. Now this carbon-carbon bond length, single bond length, it is your 154 picometer. Now what about your carbon-hydrogen bond length? ये आपको कोई पूछ दे कि ये कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड लेंथ कितना होगा, ठीक है, हो सकता है याद ना. It is your 112 picometer. So what about your carbon hydrogen bond length? It will be your 112 picometer. Now next is your isomerism in alkane. First of all, we are considering basically alkane. So isomerism in alkane, isomerism in alkane. You know, it basically exhibits your structural isomerism. And in this structural isomerism, first is your chain isomerism. There will be your chain isomerism. For example, if I write a compound C4H10, this C4H10 is your butane. आप पढ़ चुके हैं आइसोमेरिज्म. I have already discussed in detail. अलग से पढ़ चुके हैं, इसलिए अब यहाँ पर कोई आपको दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए इस आइसोमेरिज्म को समझने में. So this is butane. Now what happens if all the four carbon, say they are in a straight chain, then this butane is called your normal butane. So in this case we have a chain of four carbon. Now another way it may be written as of this type. Now this is called your isobutane. This is your isobutane, which has a IUPAC name of 2-methyl-propane. So butane and 2-methyl-propane, they are your chain isomer. In this case we have carbon chain of only 3 carbon. Similarly, if we have next higher homologue, which we have already discussed, ये हम लोगों का हो चुका है समझिए. तो 5 कार्बन अल्केन, say C5H12, then it has 3 isomer, 3, 4, 5, that is your N-pentane, or you can say normal pentane having 5 carbon chain. Now next will be your 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your CH3 having 4 carbon chain. Naturally we have to count from this side. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. The IUPAC name is your 2-methyl-butane, which is also known as your isopentane. This is also called your isopentane. And if we have 3 carbon chain like this 1, 2, 3, देखिए कहीं से भी काउंटिंग करिएगा आपको 3 कार्बन का ही चेन मिलेगा. So this is your 3 carbon chain. So these two are side chain. So the IUPAC name is your 2,2 dimethyl-propane. Now this compound is also known as your neopentane. So these are the 3 different chain isomer. Now apart from chain isomer, in alkane we have also position isomer. There may be your position isomer. For example, if I write CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So it had 5 carbon chain and the name is your 3-methyl-pentane. Now this compound can be written as CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Again it is your 5 carbon chain where methyl group is on second carbon. Then it is your 2-methyl-pentane. तो दोनों में आप डिफरेंस देखिए कि दोनों में 5 कार्बन ही चेन में है. तो दे आर नॉट चेन आइसोमर. ये दोनों चेन आइसोमर नहीं है. क्यों चेन आइसोमर नहीं है? क्योंकि ऊपर वाले में भी 5 कार्बन का चेन और नीचे वाले में भी 5 कार्बन का चेन. But they differ in the position of methyl group, which is substituent. In this case, the methyl group is on 3rd carbon, while in this case, the methyl group is on 2nd carbon. कोई कहता सर इधर से काउंट करिए, then methyl group is on 4th carbon. फिर आप पढ़े हो कि we must have to consider the lower set of locant. lowest position rule, lowest locant rule. So this is your nomenclature and isomerism, particularly alkane, need not to discuss more. Now in NCERT, we have a question of this type. For example, the question is solve problem. The question is solve problem. The question is 13.1 of your NCERT solve. The question is write structures of different chain isomers of alkane. You have to write the structure of different chain isomers of alkanes corresponding to the molecular formula C6H14. आप देखिए ये हम लोगों का होमवर्क था when I was teaching isomerism. So the question is write structures of different chain isomers having formula C6H14 and also write their IUPAC name. So the first is your CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. So its IUPAC name is simply hexane. इसको आप नॉर्मल हेक्सेन कहते हो, ये हेक्सेन हो गए. Having 6 carbon chain, you have to write only possible chain isomers. The second is 5 carbon chain, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2 and CH3. So from both the side your methyl is on 3rd carbon. So the IUPAC name is your 3-methyl pentane. 5 carbon chain. Now another possibility of 5 carbon chain. देखिए यहाँ 5 carbon, यहाँ भी 5 carbon. Here we have 6 carbon chain. 5 carbon, CH3, CH, CH3, then CH2, CH2 and CH3. The IUPAC name of this compound is your 2-methyl pentane. देख लीजिए 3 हमारा हो गया. अब आपको कितने कार्बन का चेन लाना है भाई? 4 कार्बन का चेन लाना है. 4 कार्बन चेन. 4 कार्बन चेन क्या करोगे? How we can do it? 4 carbon chain. 4 carbon chain. We have CH3, C, CH3, CH3, then CH2 and then CH3. So naturally we have to count from this side. In that case the IUPAC name is your 2,2 dimethyl butane. 4 carbon chain. And last is your again 4 carbon chain. There is one more possibility, 4 carbon chain, CH3, say CH, CH3, CH3 and CH3. So if you count from this side, the 2-methyl group is on 2nd and 3rd carbon. If you count from this side, again the same position on 2nd and 3rd. So the IUPAC name is your 2,3 dimethyl butane. तो ये इनका IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर भी हो गया. और आप कह सकते हैं कि जो आपके एनसीईआरटी में सॉल्व क्वेश्चन था वह भी आपका. नाउ you know the classification such as your primary, secondary and tertiary. For example, again we have one more question in NCERT, that is your question 13.2. It's very interesting. We have a question in NCERT 13.2. देखिए क्वेश्चन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है जो एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. द क्वेश्चन इज write structures of different isomeric alkyl group corresponding to the molecular formula C5H11, C5H11 and write IUPAC names of alcohols obtained by attachment of OH group at different carbon of the chain. कहता है सबसे पहली बात ये क्वेश्चन कह क्या रहा है? What is the meaning of this question? The meaning of the question is you have to write structure like it is CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. एक तो ये हो गया C5. आप कहेंगे सर इसका क्या नाम होगा? It is your normal pentyl. It is your normal pentyl. You can say it is your N-pentyl or simply this group is your normal pentyl. कहते हैं इसका corresponding alcohol लिखिए. You have to write corresponding alcohol. So we can write corresponding alcohol. Alcohol में कौन सा ग्रुप अटैच करोगे आप? OH ग्रुप. So the corresponding alcohol is your CH3, CH2, 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 CH2OH. So what is its name? Its name is your pentan-1-nol or simply called it is normal pentyl alcohol. कहता है clear हो गया? What will be the second? The second is of this type CH3, CH. यहाँ alcoholic group आप लगाओगे and then this is CH2, CH2 and CH3. The corresponding alcohol is your CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2 and CH3. What is the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is your pentan-2-ol. तो इसी तरह से आपको सबको लिखना है. So very difficult. Now the third कि ये जो यहाँ आया था यहाँ चला जाता means CH3, CH2, CH, OH यहाँ लग जाता, then CH2, CH3, then you may write alcohol CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2 and CH3. Then what is the name? Its name is your pentan-3-ol. Now let us consider this alcohol is your primary. This alcohol is your secondary because this carbon is secondary. ये कार्बन सेकेंडरी है, ध्यान दीजिए ये दो अलग कार्बन से अटैच है. Again this carbon is secondary. ये दो अलग कार्बन से अटैच है. So this carbon is secondary. सब बता चुके हैं आपको. What is primary carbon? What is secondary carbon? What is tertiary carbon? What is quaternary carbon? तो इस तरह से आप इनके डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स को लिख सकते थे. Similarly, we have again a solved example that is question number 13.3. इसका रेस्ट आपको छोड़ देते हैं. You can do it at your own. Now, in 13.3, the question is example 13.3. The question is write IUPAC name of the following. The first is your CH3 O3C, then we have CH2, then we have C, and then we have CH3O3. सब इसको पहले कर लेते हैं. तो कैसे करोगे भाई? कार्बन 3 methyl, this is 1 methyl, this is another methyl, this is third methyl, then we have CH2, then we have carbon से 3 methyl you have to attach, CH3, this is CH3 and this is your CH3. Now you can write the IUPAC name, it is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 2, 4, 4. So its name is your 2, 2, 4 comma 4, 2, 2, 4, 4. So it is your tetramethyl, 2, 2, 4, 4, tetramethyl pentane. So what is the IUPAC name? It is your 2, 2, 4, 4, tetramethyl pentane. The second one is CH3 whole 2. Then we have C, and then we have C2H5 whole 2. तो फिर इसको आप उसी तरीके से ब्रेक कर दीजिए, and then you can write the IUPAC name of this compound. Say it is CH3, again it is CH3, then it is your C2H5, and then it is your C2H5. Now first you have to select the longest possible chain. This is very interesting. अगर आप इसको ब्रेक करके लिखते हो, you have to expand it. Breaking means you have to expand. पहले इसको expand करिए. तो how you expand? CH3, then C, CH3, say C2H5, CH2, CH3, and then C2H5, CH2, CH3. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 कार्बन चेन. अब 3 पे देखिए, इधर भी मिथाइल है, 3 पे देखिए, इधर भी मिथाइल है. So what will be the name? Its IUPAC name is your 3,3-dimethyl and pentane. So this is the introduction classification of your hydrocarbon, that is what is alkane, what type of isomerism is possible, and what are the different names of different alkane. Now in my next class I will discuss the preparation of alkanes by using different methods. Thank you.